Hey guys, Michael Keogh, Team Keogh at Remax, and welcome back to the Barrie Real Estate Update. And oh my goodness, what a week between COVID, closures, interest rates, trying to find hand sanitizer. Don't even think about toilet paper. I'm still kind of scratching my head on that one. We're busy. It's really kind of crazy. So anyway, let's get into the update. We'll do condo first and then we'll do residential. So we have 13 new condo listings this week compared to 10 the week before. 3 of those are relisted, and the interesting thing is one of them has come on at $10,000 more than it was. So we'll keep an eye on that and let you know what happens. One conditional sale this week, one the week before, and the actual conditional sale was a property that had been relisted and now it's sold. Firm sales, we had 7 this week, 11 the week before. One of them sold at $1,500 over list and one sold at $3,100 over list, which is interesting because they just did a price reduction and then it ultimately ended up selling within $1,000 of the original list price. Presently, there's 72 condo listings in Barrie. So let's get into residential. So this week we had 71 new listings compared to 67 the week before. And of those 71 listings, 61 of those are new listings. So of those 10, 3 of them were relisted for more money, which is interesting. And the other part of it is, and we're starting to see a little bit, is 3 of those properties, or 3 more of those properties, have been brought on and they're have done some renovating to them sort of in the end of 19, and now they brought them on at substantially more money and are trying to flip them. So we'll keep an eye on those and let you know what happens with those ones. It's kind of interesting. So conditional sales, we had 12 this week compared to 15 the week before, and all 12 of those properties were listed and sold last week. So within the last 3 weeks, I think that makes it about 39 new conditional sales. All of them except for 1 or 2 were properties that were listed within that same week. 54 sales this week compared to 56 the week before, so not a lot of change. 27 of those were at list or over list price, so 5 were at list and 22 of them were over list price. So, and it's similar to what we've talked about from the start. Most of the competition that we're seeing multiple offers in is in the $400,000 to $600,000 range. As an example, like some of the bigger numbers, 1,150 square foot bungalow, again, comes on the market at $484,000. Well, it sells at $520,000. Again, we've talked about this over and over. That's actually where the value is. 1,800 square foot bungalow, they bring it on at $549,000. Well, it sells at $570,000. So, you know, again, you guys are smart, you're intelligent, you know the market. The one that was interesting though is most of, as I said, the price range that we're seeing in the competition is $400,000 to like $650,000. Well, we had one that was listed at $889,000 and it actually sold over list for $909,000. So it's one of the first ones that we've seen in the higher price range. The interesting thing with that is that it was on in September of last year and didn't sell at $919,000. So sold within $10,000 of that. Interesting. So all the information and news that we got was near the end of last week. So next week, it'll be interesting to see what the stats are and how this all shakes down from the real estate perspective. And so interest rates we've watched, they've come down. And actually, the best we saw for an insured mortgage, so less than 20% down, was 2.03%, which is absolutely ridiculous. But there was a little bit of upwards pressure on Friday, and what's happened is the banks, I think, are a little bit scared and they maybe jumped the gun a little bit. So you're probably going to see some more adjustments. There was, I believe, 2 adjustments last week from the Bank of Canada rate. Each one was 50 basis points. So I think you're going to see a little bit more adjustment in the interest rate and so therefore for your mortgages. So a couple of things to look at. If you're a buyer, make sure that you're updating your pre-approval continuously so that you're getting the best deal. If you're a owner of a house and you're not even thinking about selling and you do have a mortgage, now is an awesome opportunity for you to contact your bank or your mortgage people and see, is it better off for me now to discharge my existing mortgage and lock into a new 5-year mortgage at these insanely low rates? So anyway, guys, we'll keep you updated to what's going on. I hope everybody is safe out there. And hand sanitizer, I made some actually. So if you go back into our Facebook, you'll see how you do that with some rubbing alcohol and some aloe gel. So anyway, guys, I hope you're all well. Stay safe out there. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands, and have a great day.